What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title of this video, it is going to be about my style evolution. Now, I didn't want to bring you guys back into the past in my early teens or my early 20s and talk about my style back then. I want to just talk about everything, like what I'm currently into, what I'm currently wearing, what are current favorites in my collection and in my wardrobe. And I think that is going to help all of the guys out there, because I also keep getting asked, what are, a couple of staple items you think I should invest in my wardrobe? What do you think should be my first designer piece? And I just think that you first have to figure out what your style is, and then you can, figure out what you should buy. Like, everything has changed for me from what I was into back then to what I am into now. But I can base my style on, as of right now, it's more of a classic, timeless, rock, edgy style, all of those, all put together. Back in the day, it used to be like oversized, grungy chicness about it. So everything on this list, because it's not a list of items, it's just, I picked everything based on, if I had to go away for one weekend, these are all of the items that I would bring with me. If I have to go out from day to night in New York City, these are all of the items that I would bring with me. And this is how I based the video and how I was able to pick my favorites, just because everything right now in my wardrobe is my favorites. So without rambling too much, let's just jump right into the video. So the first thing that you guys may have noticed is my love for boots. Back in the day, I was not loving boots at all. I didn't like it. I just think that it wasn't my style, and I made a very iconic video of how I hate the Healy Slimane Wyatt Chelsea boot, and that's everyone most loved / hated video. But fast forward years later, and again, my style has matured, and I am loving all of, Anthony Vaccarello's and Healy Slimane style of the boots. But I have to pick out one style in particular, just because I feel like you can, go day to night with this. You can go to work, you can go to a wedding, you can go to an event, you can go, just to the bar, you can go anywhere with these boots, and they have to be the black Chelsea Wyatt boot. And I can also say, like, as a subdivision, the tan suede versions, either or. I just picked the black ones just because, they can go anywhere, as I mentioned, and it's leather. So it does have a little bit of dressed up, edgy style to it versus just a suede one. Number two has to be a great fitting t-shirt. Now, as you guys can see, like, gray is, again, one of my very favorite colors, but I still have to go more, timeless and classic, which is either white or black. I feel like those colors, you can, dress it up, you can dress it down, you can go anywhere with a classic white t-shirt, you can go anywhere with a classic black t-shirt. Now, I have to say, everything back in the day was very much oversized, was very extra large, and ever since I lost weight, I want everything to be a medium. I want everything to be more fitted, more, refined, more tucked, more neat, versus, like, everything oversized and things like that. Again, that's my opinion. Don't, be angry with me in the comments section down below. But that's just, again, the styles that I'm going for now. Number three has to be a great fitting pair of black skinny jeans. Now, I say black just because black is classic. You can wear those one jeans every day and no one will tell you anything, just because black jeans are so, under the radar, and no one's gonna be like, oh, hey, you wore those black jeans yesterday. They're a pair of black jeans, just like it's a pair of a black t-shirt. You can wear it anywhere. Number four has to be a pair of blue jeans. Now, the blue jeans that I love are a pair of ripped up blue jeans. I necessarily don't like straight on blue jeans, again, just because it makes me look bigger. So I feel like with the holes, with the shreds, it adds, like, breathability to it. It shows a little bit more skin. It shows a bit more airy. It shows a little bit more fun, youthful. Like, let's say I love a pair of jeans and they're not ripped. They have to have something special to it, or I'm gonna rip the jeans. All of my plain blue jeans, I ripped holes in the knees, or holes in the thighs, or I cut the bottom to be raw edge. It has to be something, unique about it. Number five, blazers. Now, for me, I love blazers. So for my professions, I don't have to wear a blazer if I don't want to. I can pretty much dress how I want to. It's just more business casual, and I just choose not to wear a blazer. So now every time I happen to go out, I love wearing blazers out. And it's more specifically a fashion blazer, and even more specifically a double-breasted blazer. Now, something about the double-breasted, like, you know, it sucks you in, it makes you look more sharper, it makes you look more clean, it makes you look more, like, you know, pulled together, and I love how it makes me feel when I wear a double-breasted blazer. I have two. One is my Balmain blazer with the silk lapels, which I love, and you know, the most recent one is my Givenchy collarless blazer. It's not double-breasted, but you know, something about the collarless adds sort of an edge to it, and I'm already looking for, you know, another one, which is going to be navy blue. Now, I don't know what design house I want to look for in that, but I do want a navy blue blazer, and I also want a tan one, I also want a green one. Like, I just want a collection full of blazers in my closet, and I don't know where I'm going to look yet, but I am on the lookout for those blazers. Another item that I love is a button-down shirt, more specifically a polka dotted one, either a polka dotted one or something with circles or something with, like, you know, like a design to it that's not a plaid and that's not a stripe. I think plaid is too casual for me. Even though I have a lot of plaid shirts, I do love plaid shirts, but something about it is very casual. So I like something more of a polka dot, which is more dressed up. I can, again, wear it dressed up or dressed down. I can wear it with, like, you know, the black skinny jeans, with the blazer. I can just wear it with the, you know, with my, just a polka dot shirt by itself, black skinny jeans, boots, anything like that. I want it to be, you know, effortlessly. I want to not think about it. I want to make sure I'm wearing it all. Another item is a pair of sneakers. Now, as you guys may have known in the past, I love sneakers. I love designer sneakers more specifically, but then there came a point in time where so many designers were coming out with sneakers, I couldn't keep up with it, and then, you know, it took a sharp left when I started discovering boots. Left, I'm like, this is going right. It took a sharp left, and I was, you know, more interested in boots, so my obsession for sneakers has slowed down, and I went more of a classic route. So the sneakers that, you know, I like are the Air Jordan 1s. I think those are very classic. You know, some of you guys might say Converse, some of you guys may say the what else is Vans. I love a Jordan 1. I also just recently picked up a pair. They're coming to me now. It's in green, which, you know, as you guys know, green is my ultimate favorite color. But the orange, black, and white ones are the mid ones, and I love those. Again, those can be, you know, dressed with anything in my style. I wear with everything. It doesn't matter. I don't literally match it to the orange or anything. If I want to wear cream, I wear cream. If I want to wear red, I wear red. It doesn't matter. It's supposed to be like, you guys, you just got to be effortless. It has to be a vibe. You cannot just sit there and perfectly match everything to everything. Like, you know, it just has to be a vibe of, like, you know what, you just wearing it with whatever. Absolutely, I would wear the sneakers with a blazer. Absolutely, I would wear the sneakers with a polka dotted shirt. Anything that I want, absolutely, I would wear it with white and blue jeans. Like, anything. The next item may come at no surprise. It is a fragrance. Now, I don't care who you are. I don't care how great your body odor smells. I don't care how many times you take a shower in a day. I love fragrances, and everyone needs a fragrance. I don't care what anyone says. And my favorite fragrance house is by Rado. I love the brand for many years, and I told myself, Nico, you need to stop, because currently I think I have over 15 bottles, which I know it's a lot. Like, I need to stop. So the latest acquisition in my collection, and I told myself I would only get it if I finish out 2 to 3 bottles of fragrance, which I did. So I picked up the Sun Dazed one, which I think is the latest one, or if not, like, you know, the top 2 latest ones. And the top notes are lemon and mandarin. The heart is neroli and jasmine, and the base is musk. I love this for more of a summertime fragrance, more of a springtime, more not so heavy into wintertime. Now, this is much more fresher. It's much more clean. But again, I would wear it in the wintertime if I want to. I would wear it in the summer. I would wear it in the fall. But I specifically bought it to wear in the summer, spring months. The last item on my list is a scarf. I found myself not gravitating towards scarves in the summer or spring months, but I figured that I have to wear it differently to keep myself warm. Now I like to wear it more in a cowboy style, like a little knot towards the front, or I like to wear it on my belt loop, and I more like the more handkerchief silky styles just because it's very light. I can wear it as a bandana across my head. I can wear it as a bracelet. Those are just the things that I decided to switch up and wear it just to find more ways to wear the items that I have versus just like, you know, having it sit in my collection and in my wardrobe. So those are all of the items that I felt is currently aiding my style today. Those are the items that I'm obsessed with. Those are the items that I wear every single day. If I have to go away any weekend, anywhere, those are all of the items that I'm packing. And again, it's very easy. It's very timeless. It's very classic. I can wear it right now and I'm 30. I can wear it at 40. I can wear it at 50. I can just wear it at any time period, any time of any weather, really anything. So that's all I got for you beautiful people today. Now make sure you guys stay in your house. If you're feeling sick, make sure to wash your hands. I hope you guys stocked up on enough toilet paper and, you know, Lysol wipes. And make sure you catch up on all of my latest videos. I'll make sure to link as much items down in the description box as possible. Let's, like, you know, have a conversation in the comment parties. And that's all I got for you beautiful people today. So peace out. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands right now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and try to stay at home and edit this video. But anyway, peace, bye.